Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do a quick glittered acrylic powdered ombre. This is already a pre-mixed acrylic with glitter in it that I got from Me a Secret. What I like to do whenever I'm doing a ombre with pre-mixed acrylic is get the base of my nail. This is a fill, so I removed all of the old design and really reduced the base of the product as much as I could to get it, you know, kind of as thin as I can, with very little product left over from the prior set, just so that when I'm applying these layers of the acrylic mix, it's not so thick at the free edge. I normally like to take a little bit of the acrylic mix and just slightly feather it in. This particular mix is really pretty because it actually has a little bit of pigment in it, so when I feather it out, you can kind of see a little bit of the pigment. It kind of bleeds out and leaves just like that really nice soft pigmented ombre look, and it had really chunky glitter in it, so I went ahead and I made sure I added chunky glitter where it was appropriate. I didn't want one to have chunky glitter and not the other, so I just went one by one and added as I felt I needed to. Once you're satisfied with the acrylic ombre look that you have on your client's nails, you got to make sure that you cap the entire nail with clear acrylic. I don't do the backfill or the maintenance part of the service until this tip is done. I basically finish out the service with a full clear over the entire nail from the cuticle all the way out to the free edge, so that way it's just one solid fill and not like a fill on top of the acrylic on top of the clear that you need to cap. That's how you're going to achieve a thin application to your product. I went ahead and I filed this. I applied it so thin and smooth that I really didn't need to go in with a ceramic bit. I didn't want to compromise the glitter ombre in any way, so I just went in with an arbor band and just softened all the edges and, you know, the sidewalls and the cuticle area, so that way there would be a seamless effect. Top coat and voila, you're done. You were able to pick something up from this video. Check me out on social media at Polish Hawaii. Like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.